before print audit, we were definitely constantly sending a tech out if we needed to update a DCA, or if we were troubleshooting something and the on-site IT people just weren't quick to respond. And it was a frustrating system all the way around.
Prior to coming to print audit, we actually were using another software that's actually pretty popular, and it was cumbersome at best. So we were constantly, very similar to Brian's story, sending techs out to troubleshoot.
One of the things that my DCA deployment team shared with me is that we upload all of our ID numbers and a lot of information into print audit, and the other product they were using was really cumbersome, and it took them a long time to get the information uploaded just due to the software itself. And print audit is lightning fast compared to what they were using before.
I was not happy with the way I was getting information and how I could export it and send it, share it with my customers, and so that was the biggest. I've had all the experiences of the DCAs breaking and sending techs out, and we were very frustrated. I also had to have this, at least I chose anyhow, the first with the other, to have it on my own server, and that meant every time I had to update the server with all the upgrades and the changes, and that just took time and effort and always didn't work. It's stable. The only time it comes off is if a customer either completely turns off their machine or they delete it somehow, or somehow put on a new security software that stops it, that you just have to, recognize it. So it's very stable, very reliable, and very easy.
It works. It works, and it's just very reliable, and every day we run our reports, and everything is accurate.
The stability is spectacular. Like I said earlier, I mean, it's very quick compared to the others we had seen. Quick to monitor, so for any of our internal staff that's doing any manual monitoring, they notice just an incredibly nice, quick, smooth way to monitor.
The one thing I can stress is just ease of integration. We on our previous utility, it wasn't hard to install. It just took some time. It took 10 minutes to actually go in, create the customer, get it done. From start to finish on creating a customer within FM and installing it literally takes about 3 minutes. I'm not exaggerating.
The one thing that we have been really impressed with is the ability to automatically import page counts into EA. Our old DCA could do an export, which was fine, but CSV file that you had to manipulate and then import into EA, well, with FM, we have it set up to just automatically do all those imports. We don't have to manipulate any data. The person, that's just saved hours for the administrative person who was doing all that. That's the biggest thing that we've straight direct integration with EA that we have found that we really enjoy.
It really works seamlessly, and we found nothing else that works any better.
The last thing that we really found very beneficial was the reporting features. We were able to tag stale data or some large installs. We can really customize our reports, so it really, really helps provide a strategic advantage.
The simplicity, the ease, I would echo what someone said earlier about the excellent documentation and support. It's just all around. Our experience has been spectacular. It's been said multiple times, but I just want to reiterate this because it blew me away how incredible your customer service is.
Pre-sales are very helpful. The technical folks are very helpful. We get into some very complex installations, and the print audit folks are always so helpful to be on the phone with us.
In regards to support, it was non-existent with the other companies, staying on hold for 10, 15 minutes. Whenever you call up to print audit, they take ownership of your issue and they get back to you right away, or they handle your issue right there on the spot. So it's been a very good experience for us. what Print Audit has actually done for us is open a tremendous amount of doors that we didn't have before, and then once we're in, allows us to position in a very unique way and offer things away from our competition.
Being able to offer a full managed print set of services has been really nice. We have done multiple ways where we either, and so I guess let me just say, beyond the facilities manager monitoring, you've got Print Audit, which can help with Print Audit 6, which can help with behavioral printing and reporting and all sorts of things. And you've got the Secure, which is more like, pull printing and keeping track of things different ways. But so for us, all of the different components working together, as he just said, it gives us flexibility to tailor a managed print solution specific to our customers, and then beyond just tailoring it to them, because we're a premier member, that means we are sticky with that customer.